Hi, I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks, and this is the Spypoint Flex top spec cellular trail camera that lets you check on a remote location wherever there's a phone signal on all 4 major UK mobile networks. It operates around the clock, detecting movement within 100 feet to trigger 33 megapixel photos or 1080p HD video with audio in 0.3 seconds of an animal appearing, and that's colour by day, black and white at night, thanks to its 100 feet range of low glow LEDs. Setting up has never been easier, as well as this port for an external 12-volt battery or a solar panel or rechargeable lithium battery pack, all available separately from Spypoint. The Flex can run on standard AA batteries. This compartment clips tightly shut and includes security loops for a cable or padlock. Mounting is easy with the included tree strap. Or you can get a Spypoint adjustable mounting arm for bolting it to trees or posts, again available separately. And once attached, just insert your micro SD card under here. Anything class 10 up to 512 megabytes will do. Then just boot it up. Those lights, starting on the left, show your battery strength. Then there's the cellular strength, which flashes while finding a signal. And the status light on the right, that'll stop flashing when it's completed the startup process. But while we're waiting, let's format our new SD card, right here, with a 5-second press of this button. It only needs doing once to allow your Flex to simultaneously take photos or videos while also transmitting your files to your phone, so you won't miss a thing. That bright green LED is our 10-second countdown to the Flex being ready to start taking pictures or video, giving you time to close everything up and get out of the way. Or if you want to just check everything's working as it should, it's a tap on this test button to take and transmit a photo if you've got the Spypoint app and a data plan set up on your phone. And it's on your phone that you get the big benefit of the Spypoint Flex. With the free Spypoint app, it's easy to check on your camera without disturbing the location. You can manage every aspect of the Flex, so you can change between taking photos, videos and time-lapse options. Delving in to control everything from delays between triggers, the number of photos or video length, trigger sensitivity, image quality, flash strength. It's all at your fingertips. And of course, check out what your Flex has captured and saved to its micro SD card. To conserve power, the Flex transmits low-res versions of photos and the beginning, middle and end frame of videos. But there's also data plan extensions available to see them in HD if that's what you want, alongside your choice of data plan to suit the number of images you need and your budget. This is the Spypoint Flex. 33 megapixel 1080p HD cellular trail camera. You can find out more at thomasjacks.co.uk, or for more videos like this, subscribe. I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.